Hey there, we're going to answer common questions that we get here. So let's move on to question number 4. So, what's our secret sauce for branded content? Well, we have 5 key ingredients that we recommend go into every branded event toolkit that we produce. And I'll tell you one of them is it should please the senses. Physical touch points should feel good. They should smell good, they should taste good, they should sound good. Should be all around, positive feel good experiences. Tactile, hands-on. Um, you do want to be careful about potential sensitivities and varied taste. So this is where knowing your audience is really important, and also why we recommend avoiding all the common allergens if you're going to include snacks, oils, or anything of that nature. Want to learn the rest of our secret sauce? Tune in for more videos.